Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera. My name is Hamzah bin Zakaria. My partner is Saidatul Nizam binti Nasruddin. I'm from Polytechnic Mersing. The title is Arduino-based line follower dry fis storage. Introduction. Line following is one of the most important aspects of robotics. A line follower robot is an autonomous robot which is able to follow either a black line that is drawn on the 45-degree surface consisting of a contrasting color. It is designed to move automatically and follow the line. The robot uses an array of optical sensors to identify the line, thus assisting the robot to stay on the track. Goal and objective. The purpose of the study, the construction of a dry fis storage by using the line follower. Objective number 1, to ensure the construction of the line follower robot is made. Number 2, to study a line follower robot is an autonomous robot which is able to follow either a black line that is drawn on the 45-degree surface consisting of a contrasting color. Number 3, to design the line follower robot that make the process of the dry fis become more easier. Number 4, to design the rain detector that detect to protect the interior of robot from rain. Problem statement. In the year of 2020, the world is advancing. It is now in the era of robotics. People tend to use robot or IoT to ease the burdens and dangers that they are facing. The dry fish business is one of the source of income for the people living in Mersing. The employer does not have a lot of workers that can manage the facilities efficiently. Because of this, many work will be delayed. For example, the product increasing slowly, but a lack of manpower to handle the product and workers. Literature research. Line follower mobile robot for surveillance camera monitoring system demonstrate the development of a mobile surveillance camera monitoring system by Wira Hidayat bin Muhammad Saad 2018. Line follower robot for industrial manufacturing process kind of autonomous robot which follow a line until the line exists by Abhijit Pathak. The use of computer control line follower robot in public transport. There is a need for technological reform and innovation in public transport because the increased number of passengers by Omer Gomos 2016. Implementation of a fuzzy-based line follower robot by Arduino by Muhammad Safwan Muhammad alias 2017. Smart car monitoring system using Arduino. The project describes a design of effective information system that can monitor an automotive condition in traveling by Bhavana Patel ETAL 2018. Block diagram. Line follower dry fis use battery power to turn it on. This battery power will supply the Arduino Nano hardware. For this study, many relays are used to operate it to allow the motor to move. The motor used is the car's power window motor. If the IR sensor gets enough supply, it will read the black line and give instruction to the motor to move. Indirectly, the dry fis line follower will move to the desired places. In the study, there is also a rain detector sensor installed to ensure that the line follower dry fis will move in the original place that is covered to avoid being hit by rain. Design of the system. Use the sensor that allow the robot to move based on a given black line. If the black line is thick, robot will stop. When the switch is turned on, the robot will move to the desired place like a white place and easily get sunlight. When it reach the designated place, This robot will stop when there is a raindrop. The robot will move back to its original, which is covered to prevent dry fish from being exposed to rain. This robot uses an Arduino Nano microprocessor. Design of the system have a hardware and software. Hardware implementation. First, motor driver, motor supply, power supply, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, rain detector, software implementation, Arduino Nano. The flowchart. Based on the flowchart, if the switch is open, the dry fish line follower will move forward based on the reading of the IR sensor that detect the black line. If the black line gets thinner or smaller, the dry fish line follower will stop. If the rain sensor can detect water drop, the dry fish line follower will move back to the original place where it started. Result and discussion. This is a real model of Arduino baseline follower by dry fish storage. Analysis of the circuit charge. Vin means input voltage. The input voltage is 7.6 volts. VCC is the output voltage. The output voltage is 5 volts. Nano pin A0 to A7 are analog input, while nano pin D0 to D13 are digital output. IR sensor test. The component operated according to the code that were given. 1 means the component is on stage, while 0 means the component is in off state. Symptom versus factor chart. This chart above is the symptom that have been detected during the operation of the project. There are a few reasons that cause it to happen. After identifying the problem, a few solutions were found to solve them as above chart. Conclusion. Arduino baseline follower dry fish storage is built to expose village entrepreneurs to the technology available today. It has various advantages for them and also to the product that will be produced. Not require a lot of manpower and can reduce the human to interact with others. It will also save costs in terms of pay wages to others. Still produce a large number of products and is able to meet the high demand for customers. Thank you. I'm Tuan Haji Hamzah bin Zakaria from Polytechnic Mersing. My email is hamzah@tibet.pnj.edu.my or hamzahzakaria1@gmail.com. Sekian. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.